Ndị be anyị ndewonu nke onye chiri ya zere ọmụ bụ Mgborie Diba Nwangwu Uchendụ. Kedu ka unu mee ka si anya anwụ? Alright, there is this recent trend of people accusing other people who use animal offering to increase their spiritual vibration as ndị ọrụ anụ, or people with low vibrational energy. Is becoming a trend now. I want to tell you, if you are new into spirituality or new in ordinary, to be very, very careful of them. Be wary of them. Now something happened. Nome appeared to me in my dream and said I should come and see her. When I woke up, I had to do spiritual consultation with a Dibia friend of mine after narrating the dream. So we now asked Afa, and it was confirmed that I should come to Obu Imoka as soon as possible with some offering. Then I decided for her to appear to me and summon me. I cannot go with just ordinary money, nzu, edo, and all that. I bought livestock, and I took it with me. I went to the shrine on a day to acknowledge her. I think I shared the video, the picture and the video on my page. You can see a picture where I was holding Nzu. That thing happened, I think, December 24th or 23rd. December 26th or 25th, I can't remember precisely. After doing that offering, it was the next day, no, a day before, should be on the 26th precisely. There was a terrible accident that happened at my house. A jeep from nowhere lost control and smashed into the concrete pole, smashed into my gate. Almost it would have entered the compound. And luckily, there was this particular tenant that parked his car. The other one is a female. They all park their cars in front of the gate, so that whenever you want to go out, you have to beg them to come and move it before I can go out. Fortunately for them, when that thing happened, none of them parked their cars there. And the people that were always hanging around at the front of the gate, they were nowhere to be seen. It was just the jeep that took the impact. The concrete pole, you know how strong concrete pole that I bought by myself and installed after waiting for EDDC to come and replace the wooden pole. They didn't. I now replaced it. Very strong, highly fortified concrete, now reinforced. That jeep smashed it down. It was just the small iron remaining. If you hear the terrible noise the jeep was making when it lost control and veered and crashed into the wall of the compound, you hear a sound, a very mighty sound. In fact, it shook the building. It was just like film trick. I came out immediately. I heard that vibration from the topmost floor. When I looked down, I saw the driver of the jeep trying to control the jeep he was driving. He couldn't. So what happened? Thanks to Gugunne, no life was lost. If I have not heeded, given heed to what Mo said to me in my dream, if I had not acted on that dream to go and consult Alpha immediately, because that kind of dream now, it go shock you, it has impact. You understand? She was dragging me that I should come and visit her, I said, I'm too small to visit you. Go and meet other big DBs now we have in Oka. I'm a small girl to them. She said, no, I must come. That I've not come to see her, that I should come. That there is something she wants to do for me. I now told Nenwai, okay, I'm coming. I also saw an old man tying white wrapper. probably like a chief priest. He was also the one telling me, remember to come, remember to come, Nne is waiting for you. I said, I'm coming, I'm coming. He said, why can't I come now? What am I doing? I said, I'm coming. Because I was following him. After a while, I removed my hand from his own hand. And I said, I didn't see anybody there. How can it be only small me? I was underrating myself. So when I woke up, I was puzzled. It was Alpha that solved that puzzle. And being that the dibia gbaramafa, because dibia ada gongwe, ada zongwe, dibia gbaramafa no kwana more. And it was confirmed. And I had to go immediately. I wasn't even going to start running up and money this, money that. Even if it was my last savings, I took it. Go to na munyo okoko. And I went to do that offering. Jeba, I don't know. You said I should come. I don't know. Here am I. Whatever good it is, please, Mama, do for me. Huh? So back to what I was saying. People that will be telling you, you are low vibrational. You are doing this thing for spirit, blood. It is old fashioned. It is this, it is that. Spirituality is not a one size fits all. You cannot limit the spirit. You cannot tell more what to accept from you. If they do a bigger thing for you, you use a bigger animal. It's like fuel to them. Obala. There is nowhere in the world, so they are blue religious organization, so I blue Muslim, so I blue Kobunobuya, that they don't give blood offering to energize their spirits, appease spiritual guide, keep in alignment, keep in appeasement, to open ways for breakthrough, for victory, for protection. So be wary. Beware of these men and women who have come, this new generation. Na akpọgị ndị ọrụ a na-ezasi ekwesie ike. Asị gị na ị na-enye mmụọ ọbala, ibu ọbala tule. Asị gị nke nwa, oh fine. Go back and make sure you are in good terms with your spirit guide. If not, nke gị ekpunekwe. If not, your life will be doomed. Anything you have, give to the spirit. But when it comes to matter of life and death, or don't even allow it to be a matter of life and death. Always appease your spirit. Always align with your spirit. Always give them that blood offering. It's just like injection if you are sick. It's just like renewal of covenant, renewal of contract that more has with your family. The ancestral forces. They are positive ones because I believe in positivity. They use it to clear road for you. They use it to remove ukemada kalogeli nseke obonuke. Sudden death, they use it a lot. So don't question spirits. Don't you dare be among those that are saying if they don't keep blood, nothing. You believe that it's always blood, that it's always blood that will work. Yes. They even tell you in your unoka, the blood of the lamb, which complete this sentence for me. Don't they do it? Obala Zanjo. Even him, he did his own human what is it called? Sacrifice. Every year, on resurrect. How much more? Your own ancestral foundation, ancestral forces, ancestral spirits, spirit guides, or all what not you call them. Be in good terms and in alignment with them. Don't listen to all those low vibrational spiritualists or dibia telling you that adebulu muano or na more lazy too much. Let it be no more just I can't complain. Says I need a Johnny dan na ekwubalụ mmụọ ọnụ agụ na-ege ntị onye nwe ntị nya nụrụ. I am not in spirituality. Can ndataba ego for money to be coming east, west, north, and south. It's not because of money. Humanity. My life path, my destiny to fulfill it. Ihe ọbụla ọ ga-eri ka mụ na mmụọ dị na mma. Mụ nwa bụ mgbe dibịa nwa nke uche ndụ. I must do it. Ose ya bụrụ na efi ka m egbu. Ose ya bụrụ na ebune ka m egbu. Ose ya bụrụ ewu oke na nwunye ọkụkọ. Ọ bụ fruit offering, ọ bụ incense offering. Count me in. I will always be in synergy with my spirit. Thank you.